Are you looking for a way to secure your commercial space without sacrificing visibility? Meet the FlexiGlide Vision Guard, the leading open-style sliding folding security shutter by HVP Security Shutters. This innovative product combines strong security with an inviting atmosphere. The Vision Guard is designed for high-traffic environments. It's the most popular choice in the UK for shopping centres, airports, schools, and retail spaces. Now, let's unpack why it stands out. First, the Vision Guard's tough design offers enhanced security. Unlike traditional options, it features rigid aluminium panels. This design increases safety while allowing excellent airflow and visibility. The shutter's benefits don't stop there. Its construction includes high-grade materials, ensuring durability. It operates manually and folds smoothly, maximizing access during business hours. Plus, it requires minimal headroom for installation, fitting seamlessly into various environments. Versatility is another key point. Whether for shop fronts, kiosks, or service areas, the Vision Guard adapts brilliantly. Now, let's consider where the Vision Guard shines. It's ideal for shopping centers where security meets openness, airports managing access in busy locations, schools providing a secure environment that remains visually unobtrusive. Ready to enhance your security? Contact HVP Security Shutters today for a free consultation. Secure your space with the Vision Guard sliding folding shutter, where safety meets style. Visit our website to download technical specifications or get a quote.